Welcome everybody. Welcome. How's it going? We're back, technically. Are we? We are. All right. So, Red, hey there, what's up? D, good evening. All right. Paul, welcome. Good to see you back. Okay, so what an interesting London session. But actually dropped down lower. So the 15-minute CB would be my target, and getting through this. Actually, we have a market open right now, so I totally forgot that. Let's see what's going on. I'm sorry I was a little bit too late, or almost late, but I still feel like we got the move. Oh, my Apex got disconnected. Interesting. All right. So what do we have here? The market open just happened and we swept some lows here. We still have the midnight area here and the daily low at 451, but so far nothing special is happening. Nothing special. So are you copy trading all your accounts at the same time? I'm not copy trading them, only evaluation accounts. For now, I'm not copy trading not even 2 funded accounts. I'm trading every funded accounts separately. So I just can't handle the pressure. I'm not ashamed to admit it that I just can't handle the pressure. The pressure is too much. You know, I just can't do it. Man, the lights are so bright here. I have to turn it down a little bit. All right, much better. So I just can't handle the pressure. It's just too much for me. Anyway, swept some highs. Now it seems like we might going lower to the 60-ish area. Maybe down to 66, who knows? Oh, I just entered a short to scalp it. Maybe it's not gonna go down, actually. But we'll see. If it goes, it goes. If not, then maybe not. It went down, nice. All right, this was just a small scalp. I entered a short, but nothing serious. Only like 80 bucks or something. I don't even know. Let me check it. Yeah, only $94. But anyway, let's see. Quant Tower was acting up weird today. I don't know if you guys had the issue, but oh yeah, look at that. We're going lower. Looking at the 1-hour chart, sell side liquidity is 410. All right. Or this could be just a sweep, and now we're gonna get higher. Do we have some news? The JOLTS job openings are gonna come in about 27 minutes. Okay, so that's gonna be interesting. I suggest we should wait until the news, right? What do you guys think? And these are my levels that I like. I like these levels. This is cool. Looking for long positions, but we can also sweep the 410. Trader Monk, hi, hey there. I think just focus on one session for evaluation. Yeah, what I used to do, by the way, that's a good idea. Usually in the London session, I try to focus for evaluations maybe, and in the New York session, I try to go with funded accounts. Trader Zoltan, hello, Üdvözöllek, welcome. At least that's what I try to do. All right. All right, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Are we going lower or not? I'm not going to do. I think we're not not gonna do anything until the news comes out. I feel like. What do you guys think? Oh, that's the camera. All right, hold on. I wanna pick my teeth, and I don't want you guys to see it. Just a second. Oh, some food stuck in my teeth there, but it's all good now. All right, waiting. I'm actually waiting to go long, but if it keeps dropping, well, below the 410, there are still some good levels. It can still go down. Actually, we swept some highs here, so I would not be surprised to go for the 410. That's a beautiful sell side liquidity level there. So, you know. We have the first fair value gap here. The 930 fair value gap, which I'm gonna put right here. I do like that. And that's all. Jeff, hey there. 436.50 is a pivot point. Nice reaction there from the pivot. Interesting how the market is respecting those levels, right? So I never traded the pivot points, but there's definitely something to it, right? Down, down, down. All right, I think slowly we can grind back to the 930 gap, but I have nothing here to look for, not even on the 5-minute chart. So what do you guys think? What should we do? I think we should wait. Patience is the key, right? I think the best thing for us to do is wait for now. It's going sideways. Maybe I should listen to some music, right? I'm gonna listen to some music. Where's Spotify? All right, beautiful. Are we gonna go lower to 410? I have no entry. 5 minute is still open, the 5 minute gap. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Just going sideways. Everybody's waiting for the news. If I would have to guess, I think it just wants to go back higher. There you go. It's going. 72, yeah, it should be going to 82, I guess. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Bulenox is a little bit slow. I have to reconnect. All right, we got back to the mid-level there. Okay, so the opening gap has been respected so far. What the hell is wrong here? All right, going higher. Target should be up there at 543. Hopefully. But at least pushing up to the 26. Is it gonna go through? On the 26, who knows? Or is it just gonna reprice? It's a pullback over a new high gap. Yeah, that could be. That could be the scenario easily. Easily happening. Look at that. It's going. Repriced a little bit. Now it's going higher. Who knows? Let's wait for the news. Maybe repricing lower. 556. Let's see. Let's see. Back down to that 1 minute gap. Now let's see if price would respect this area or not. What a reversal, by the way. Interesting. Watching the 5 and the 1 minute. Not sure. Actually, not sure what to do here. Just went through the opening gap to the downside. We could see what a reversal, man. News in 10 minutes. Okay, now this could be something. This could be something I like. Although it would be better to wait for the news. Okay, so this is a little bit bullish reaction here. If it tries to push it again or not. All right. Is your previous low correct? Yes, I would say so. So the previous low is based on this candle, the 1158 candle right there, because this one was made after midnight. So the previous low is the low of this candle, which 455.50 on the micro. So I would say it's kind of correct. I like to think. I like to think that it is. Not that much of a major news, by the way. Supham, hey there. Akram, hey. I'm doing great, Akram. Can you? Yeah, sure. Let's go to the daily. Daily chart. I'm gonna disable the markups. So here's the daily. Here's the daily chart. SMT formed to go higher. Maybe I wasn't checking the SMT currently, but anything is possible. I like to see the highs broken. There's a level that I really want to see broken, which is the 543. That's quite a significant level. So I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute. So this level here, the 543, this level got greatly respected in the London session. So that remains significant in my opinion from the London session. So far, the opening gap is gravitating price. So I can imagine that we're going to go a little bit higher here. Previous day is a little bit higher. Well, maybe I'm using the New York midnight levels, you know, not the 16. The 6 p.m. levels. 4 minute chart. All right, let's check. I never used the 4 minute, but here's the 4 minute time frame. And by the way, still look at the 543. Obviously, we're going to wait for news, but I think the draw on liquidity is 543. I can officially say that. And after that, we should be going up there to the 600. But the draw on liquidity, in my opinion, right now, is this. 543. So, but I'm not doing anything until news. Or maybe nothing even after, so I'm not doing anything currently. I'm gonna wait patiently and you know, gonna see what's happening. But I think that is where we should be going. J-Man, good morning. Fair value gap in 4-minute chart and did make the move. Oh, I see. Well, let's see what's gonna happen after this. Let me check ES. ES swiped the lows. Now I feel like it can also break higher. $543 is what I think is gonna happen. $543. I do have an evaluation account full ported, by the way. I'm sitting in a buy position. Just don't know where. This one. This is a full port buy on a ProfiTrade eval. So let's see. If it fails, it fails. It was just how much? $16. So I'm just full porting this with 50 micros. I didn't have the time to switch to minis, but it should be enough. 50 micros. TP is at 520 if it goes there. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough. That's what I'm afraid of. Oh, look at that. Dirty. Okay. Dirty, dirty. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, we saw this coming. All right. This is going to take me out. It's not going to go. Man, it was so close. ProfiTrade lifetime, the cheapest one is $85. The cheapest activation fee is $85. But you can choose if you want end of day trailing and no consistency, you can activate it for 220. So you can choose how you want to activate. The cheapest one with intraday trailing is it didn't go. Look at that. Wow. So the cheapest one is 85 lifetime. Dude. Dude, this is crazy. All right. Let's see if I passed or not. You guys won't believe this. I didn't pass. I needed $5. So I had to re-enter now. $5, but I just entered it with some micros. If this one, oh man, this is not gonna push. Maybe the news, you know, let's see. News in 5 seconds. Let's see if it's gonna do it or not. All right, I did it. All right, so this account is passed, and that's it. No, it's all right. We passed it. Let me show you. Let me show you. Not this one. This one. So this was the one. So the cheapest one lifetime is $85, but I still have one more evaluation. I might full port it. So actually, I think I'm gonna full port it as well. I want to see this go. All right, full port. I full ported again on another evaluation. If it fails, I don't care. This is the one. Full port. Second evaluation. 1 out of 1 is good. But I don't think I'm gonna make this one. I want to see that 43 level. I do that with 25Ks, but reverse them. I see. Well, I think, you know, I mean, I bought these two, and at least I managed to pass one. Now, this is my second attempt here. I want to see, it's 5 minis or 50 micros. I did not have the time to switch to minis, so it's 50 micros, but I'm looking for 43, by the way, because that was an important level. I told you guys. So it should be running that level, but I don't know. Oh no, I think it's gonna take me out because it has a trailing stop. Yeah. Damn it, damn it. It was close. It was close, but it's gonna take me out, I think. Yeah. Oh, it was close. It was too good to be true. To pass 2 out of 2, you know. But anyway. At least I have one. Man. Is it gonna go? So this is the account. Currently. This is the position on the account. This is ProfiTrade. This is ProfiTrade. I just want to go to 43. That is all I want. All I want for Christmas. Okay. That's gonna be Christmas. If this one goes back down, it's gonna take me out because it has an intraday trailing stop. So I would like this one to spike up to 43. If not, then it's not gonna happen. No stop loss, full port. Oh man, it almost got there. Oh, it was so close. It was so close, man. Well, we can't have everything, you know. Let's go. Oh, it's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. I think it has to go down and sweep some more orders before. The 43 level is very, very, very strong. Just saying. So here's the rejection. So this account is toast. Just one more wick to the upside, not the downside, they're up. How do you know? No news trading rule. I don't really know. This account is done. You can I think you can trade the news on ProfiTrade. I think. Not sure though, but I think you can. But basically what you have to do with the other prop firms is that close every position, like just to make sure 2 minutes before news, and start to go into a trade 2 minutes after the news is what you need to do. So do you guys like ProfiTrade or MyFundedFutures Milestone? Milestone account is the one that I really like. I think the Milestone account is really good for instant funding. I mean, ProfiTrade is good as well because I bought instant funded account from ProfiTrade too. But the Milestone account is really good. I mean, especially from a prop firm like MyFundedFutures. Yeah, you can withdraw 750, but if you keep on trading, then you can withdraw more. And obviously, the goal is the long term. And that's a static account, so don't forget that that's a static account. Man, this is not gonna make it. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. MyFundedFutures has that on starter account. Yeah, basically. But the milestone account is instant funded, basically. So, you know, you get payout every milestone. Oh, man. So sorry for this account. This one's just gonna fail, I think. It's not really something that you should do because I never do this on evaluation. I mean, on funded accounts, obviously. But, you know, I don't have a setup here anyway. I was just looking for the 43, but it's not going to make it. It's a strong level. It's going to just waterfall down. Let's have a moment of silence for this account. Okay, there you go. Should be out by now. How is this still on? How is this account is still alive? I don't know. The intraday trailing stop should have taken this out. Anyway. Yeah, I got the ProfiTrade email for passing the account. Congratulations for passing the evaluation account. Now I just have to activate it. All right, this account is done. It's most likely done. Oh no. Oh no. Please, account, survive. Oh man, are you entertained? I hope you guys are. Actually, I really don't have any setup for this here because I would not touch this on any funded account and in any level. That's for sure. How is this account still alive? We're gonna, if it makes it, this is gonna be called the survivor. You know, this funded account is gonna call the survivor. if it makes it up there, it's not gonna. Dude. Vivian, hello. Good to see you. What's happening? Good to see you, Vivian. How's the trade so far? You just got resurrected. What? What is that? Resuscitated or resurrected? Something like that. There is 1 day pass. Yes, you can pass it in one trade if you want to, and you get the activation link immediately. So I already have the activation link for my previous account that I just passed, so that's the fastest. A little Asian, but had errands this morning, so just looking at the charts. I see. All right. Let's see, guys. This is gonna be the survivor account if it makes it up there to the 43s. Are we gonna make it? Tell me. Ha ha ha! Oh my god. Look at this, another account just passed. 2 out of 2. I should be stopping for new evals now. Okay, so this is gonna be called the survivor account. Okay. This is gonna be the survivor account. So this is how easy it is to pass an evaluation. I wish it was so easy like this all the time, but I wish. Yeah, so actually the 43 level, guys, just check it. You know, check the 543 level. I was talking about this at the market open and in the London session. The 543, go to the 1 minute and check out that level and just look back how price was reacting to the 543. I was absolutely sure that we should be at least touching that, you know, like this. So we did. Obviously, it could have just gone down, but anyway. I think they are trading as well, but they are focusing on the charts. So on that account, you can withdraw. Yo, no, not right now. This is just the evaluation. Now you have to activate it, and you're gonna get a fresh 50K funded account. So I wish it would be that simple, D. I wish it would be that simple, but it's not that simple. It was resurrected from the dead, so this is gonna be the survivor account. So I have now 2 more funded accounts, and just to let you guys know, I wasn't even in the dashboard. I'm gonna show you right here. You see that? I just passed it, and you can already request the PA account. 1 click and you can. So that's how fast it is to get a funded account with ProfiTrade. You passing it, you request, and you can. I'm not gonna go there, but then you go to the checkout page for the activation fee, and that's how simple it is, basically. So super simple. I don't even have the congratulations email yet, and the dashboard already updated. Are you rich already? No, I'm not. I'm not shocked why you're saying that. I wish. So, which ProfiTrade version? That was the cheapest one, the $16 one, the trail account. The cheapest one is $16. I'm gonna show you in a second here. I just closed the website. Now it's not. Now it's getting slow. Okay. Okay. Start a new challenge. So here it is. The cheapest one is the trail account for evaluations. It's only $16 and $14.50 for the 25K. If you want instant funded account, it's currently 50% sale. The 50K instant funded account is $324. This is an instant account. Check out my video. I made a video about this. And we have the pro account. The difference between the trail and the pro is that this one has end of day trailing, but obviously the price is different. You see, the end of day trailing is $64 while this is $16. And the express account, I don't even know what the heck is this. 10 mini maximum drawdown. I don't even know what the express account is, to be honest. End of day, 3,000. I don't know. Anyway, trail and pro and instant funded. How much is the PA after you qualify? It depending on you. So check out my video. I would say it's a basic video, but the cheapest activation fee is $85. But if you choose to, you can choose how you want to activate the funded account. You can choose intraday trailing with consistency rule. That's the cheapest, $85. But you can choose end of day trailing with no consistency and all that such, and you can go up to 200 and something. I don't know. So check out my video. There's all kind of variations like how you want to activate, and nobody does that for now that I've seen. So you can actually customize how much you want to pay for the funded account. What you want. Do you want consistency? Do you want end of day drawdown? Do you want intraday trailing? You know, that's going to be a different price. I cannot. Yeah, this is the funding after 60. The cheapest is 85. That's the cheapest one, $85. Do you have a discount code for Bulenox? Yes, tomsabo. It's up there. That's the upper right corner for the option 1 account. It's $17.50 right now. Yeah. No problem. Lifetime, J-Man. That's a lifetime activation fee. Lifetime activation fee. All right. And as you guys could see, if you pass, the activation link is instantly in your dashboard, and that's it. And the funded account is also super fast. You just pay the activation fee and it's there. But I'm not gonna trade it now. Yeah, you know, you'll see. I mean, $16 is, you know, it's a cheap upfront cost, and you can play around a little bit if you want to, if you have some extra budget for it, you know. But now I want to do something about my Take Profit Trader account. By the way, I still have nothing here that I like. Nothing. The 5-minute has not created anything. It's no fair value gaps here. Nothing from earlier. So far, nothing that I like. So, not really my cup of tea for now. Yes, exactly, Dario. Exactly. Yes, Dario. $16 and one-time payment, $85 activation. Yes, exactly. By the way, the evaluation price, the $16, is not a monthly fee. It's a one-time payment. So if you guys take your time, and I say this especially for those who are new in trading, or not really experienced, you can take all the time you want. It's not monthly bill. It's just a one-time payment of $16. So if it takes you 3 months to pass the evaluation accounts, it's still going to be just $16 one-time payment. So not a monthly payment here. Just one-time payment. Obviously, I also want to get a payout from them, so I'm still. I saw some other traders receiving payouts. They pay through Rise. I'm still not there yet, but I'm definitely gonna update you guys when I make it. If I make it, hopefully I'm gonna make it. Of course I will. I'm gonna focus now on Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures a little bit. And the new Apex accounts too, because I just purchased Apex. Man, so many accounts. ProfiTrade, Coco, ProfiTrade. I made a video about it. You can check it in my main videos. I made it about 2 weeks ago or something. It's a basic video. I might gonna do an update, but you can check it. It's a review video about them. So I started to trade with them. They have instant funded accounts as well. If you just instantly want to purchase a funded account, then obviously you can do. So check it out. I think we're gonna go to the 15-minute CB up there. I don't have an entry, unfortunately. So on my funded account, there's nothing I could have or I wanted to trade here. Nothing that I liked so far. Nothing. But I still believe that the drawn liquidity would be the 600s up there, is what I think. Yeah. That's what I think. But I have absolutely nothing here. I don't know if this one wants to go or not. I think it does want to go. Yeah, look at that. Uh, 600. Yeah, guys, 600 is the drawn liquidity. We can say anything we want, but this is it. That's what it's gonna be. I'm not in a trade. if you pay 119 funded fee, you can end of day drawdown for 25k. Yeah, exactly, something like that. You can check it out on the frequently asked questions section. Bray, hey there. This is $16. Is for no, it's for ProfiTrade. It's a new prop firm. I made a review video, Bray. Check it out in my main videos. Leave a comment or like it. But yeah, it's a new prop firm. Check it out. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat all the way. Sorry, guys. Is available, yes, because they use DX feed, but they don't have trade await and they don't have rhythmic. They are not going to have rhythmic ever. That's what they said. I talked with the founders. I chatted with them, and they're not going to have rhythmic. They're going to have DX feed, so you can use ATES, Quantower, Volumetrica Web, and they're working on TradingView integration somehow. I don't know, but they said it's coming. But that's it. Inversion gap after the break. Let's go, Dario. I'm pushing. We're hitting resistance area. Yes, and there you go, 600. And the move is done. I think we're done. Done? Yeah, we're done. That was it, guys. Thank you. Really, this was the move. This was the move for today's New York AM session. That's it. Anything up from here. So if you guys want to go long from here, this is lower probability. So anything higher from here is lower probability. Okay. This was the higher probability target, the 600. If you want to go higher, that's much more riskier from here. Okay. If it builds a structure, we still have time. If it builds a structure here, then we have some good sell side liquidity as well. But I don't know. I'm not going to be looking to go long. That is 100% sure. Not now, at least. So above 600 is riskier now. Let's go, Zoli. Let's go. Because I don't have an entry. And I don't want to scalp, Maverick. I hate scalping. I hate scalping so much. It wrecks me. It wrecks my nerves. It totally messes up my mind. My stomach hurts. Actually, physically, I have stomach aches if I have to scalp. I just can't. I hate it. I can't. I do. I scalp many times because if I want to make a trading day or some extra profit for my funded, you know, the devil on my left shoulder, this guy is telling me, that just scalp it. Scalp it, man. Enter full port. It's gonna be all right. Just scalp it. Scalp that thing. Enter. So he's the one telling me that, actually. He's the one. Anyway. All right, look at the rejection from 600. I enjoyed the ride. I really did, Jack. I really did. I really enjoyed it. Oh, yeah, definitely. That guy doesn't like me. That's for sure. I wanted to put this out here for Halloween, but I think you guys won't see it because it's just too small. So I don't know where to put it. You guys don't see it because it's small, if it's in the background. So I'm just gonna hold it in my hand or whatever. I don't know. But I'm gonna put out some pumpkins maybe. Buying area. Let's see. I'm not gonna buy here for now, but if you guys are buying, good luck. The 543 area, look at that. Again, the 543. Look at this. It could be a good buy position, but I don't know. How much did you make money today? Pashka, I made let's see. On my Bulenox funded account, on this one, I made $100. It's getting closer to another payout slowly. It's a slow grind, so nothing special. These other accounts I haven't traded. This one here, I'm up to, I made about 300 something. No, $94 on this funded account. And this funded account, I made $357 today. So I'm not gonna... I had a 50K funded account with ProfiTrade, but I blow it. And I have this one from Apex. It's $3,100, and this one is ready for payout, $3,622. So I'm gonna request $1,500 from this on the 1st of November. I blow it yesterday after New York stream, scalping it. I didn't do the review video, and I owe you guys a review video of how I'm doing with the accounts and how much funded accounts I've blown so far in the past 2 months. So I'll try to put together a video. Trade funded during New York session. Yes, I usually trade the funded accounts in the New York session. In the London session, I usually like to trade the evaluation accounts because I'm not so good in the London session. I tend to mess things up. I lost a 50K funded account yesterday after the stream. It was later in that mess, you know. Yeah, it's a skeleton's fault. Currently, I'm down to 2 funded accounts with ProfiTrade. One is an instant funded account that I bought. The other one is the other one is evaluation passed to funded. So and these two just made today. So I have two new funded accounts. I haven't activated them yet, but I'm not gonna trade that today. So I'm gonna activate it later. All right, going back. By the way, here was a possible good trade, but it was not my cup of tea to enter right there. Marco, good to see you, man. Where have you been? I hope you're good. Ready to short at 20,600. Let's go, man. Dun, 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 dun. Where's my calculator? There it is. Going higher. Yeah, I traded. I overtraded, Pashka. That's what I did. To be simple. Exactly. I just overtraded. I revenge traded. I was an idiot, and I'm over it. So it happened. It happened. Stocks and had no futures accounts until today. I use. Oh, thank you, Marco. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting. Thank you, man. You're off. Let's go. Strong words. How many lots did you drop? Well, I think I entered. I haven't gone in with 10, but I guess it was like 4 or 5. I think 4. So it started with 1. I was scalping, and then obviously like this, one more, and then I was sitting in 4. No. Yeah, I was sitting in 4 minis, I think. So that was fast. Everything from there escalated real quickly. Oh, it kills it. Trust me, man. Especially if you reversing the trades up and down. It's not 50k actually, you know. It was like 2500 drawdown. And I on the final touch I was in like, you know, I don't know, a lot of points in drawdown with 4 minis. So I just let it go. I just left the computer and I was like, I was already down like $1,500 or $1,800 for the day. So you can imagine that 4 mini wipes out the rest of the $700 or $800 in a second. How we can wipe out weeks of, oh yeah, in what exactly, Maverick? One bad afternoon, and I really have to get back to the basics. Oh yeah, Pashka, so that's the difference. I cannot go down to 12k. My threshold on the 50k funded is 2500. So I think you're not counting that I have a maximum loss limit of 2500. That's the max loss I can take. If I take the max loss, then the account is blown. So it was that's why. Oh, you have no limit. There you go. You have no limit. Now I have a limit. $2,500 is my limit. As for everybody else on the 50k funded, except if you're on a live account on a funded on a prop firm, then you can absolutely have more. So this is trading, not Soundgarden. Yeah. Yeah, I think price is just gonna stick here for a little bit. I don't know if we're gonna go for the for the 676. I don't know. Let me look at the 5-minute. You know, the thing is that it didn't go higher than this 15-minute CB from yesterday. It tells me that it can continue higher. So the next level would be somewhere at 640. So next departure would be, I mean the next here. Not departure, I always said. The next level would be 640. If it breaks higher. If it closes higher than 603, then 640. But I have nothing here. I'm looking to short if we sweep the high and we have SNT with the yes. Yeah. And by the way, just one more small add-on for a reason I blown that account. This is why I'm not copy trading my funded accounts. Exactly, this is the reason I am not copy trading, because I can survive more hits like that. If I would copy trade it yesterday after stream those scalp trades, I would be like a zombie today if I would have copy traded all my funded accounts. To trade, let's go. Let's see, Tamash. Beautiful. You guys are sitting in it. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Tamash have taken this trade with 5 micros, sitting in it, going for the 680s. Let's go, man. Congratulations. Congratulations. Nice. Well, it's simple. I know how he does it. He just looks at the chart. He sees this and he enters. He zooms it out and he enters here. That's how he does it. No. He is good in SMT trading, that's for sure. All right. Versus ProfiTrade account. How long does it take? You got the credentials, I think. If you have an email with the password, then those are your credentials to log into DX feed. You have to use your email, and there's a password that ProfiTrade send you back after purchasing the account. Look for that password in that email, and the login name will be your email address, and the password is going to be the one that they sent you. And if you trade Quant Tower, make sure to choose DX feed prop. I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna disconnect. So choose DX feed prop is what you need to choose. Use your email and use the password that they sent you. I know it's not real, but choose real account and connect. And that's it. And also one more thing, make sure to use beta version on your Quant Tower. I don't know why it's unchecked. And I just have to refresh it again. I'm not gonna refresh it now. Just make sure to use the beta version. If you know, why didn't you take the trade? I didn't know that. I was just joking. I mean, you were joking too. I don't know how he does it. He has a skill. Like, I think he's part of an organization like the Avengers or the Justice League, whatever. You know, Bruce Wayne has a superpower of being rich. Tamash has a superpower of spotting out where to buy and sell. So I think, you know, something like that. I don't have a superpower like that, but well, yeah. We definitely need to. All right, all right. It's not that difficult, J-Man. J-Man, for me, it was also a little bit crazy for 1 or 2 days. But trust me, after like 2 or 3 days, you should be okay. It's absolutely not difficult. Just, you know, get comfortable, customize it, get familiar with some settings. Just, you know, that's it. You're gonna be okay. Yeah, Akram, I would say that Tamash would be saying that go through the YouTube videos. He put 6 years from his life into learning ICT. So go through the YouTube videos, and you can also start with this year's mentorship. The other week, ICT said if you're brand new, you can also start with 2024 mentorship as well. But I would say go into the core content, and that's it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 6 years. Bum, bum, bum. You believe me? Okay. Okay. So currently approaching 11 a.m., which is going to be the. Why do you not take longs? Because I'm not sure. I'm not convinced that it's gonna go to 48. So this is not enough for me that I see here. I told you the low hanging fruit, which is the high probability target, was 543. I told this, and I can actually say this when I started the stream. I said, guys, 543, and I said down here as well, if it turns around, we're gonna go to 543. And then I said the maximum I would go is the 600 up to that 15-minute CB. I set it down here, and from here the 640, it's a low probability up there. It can go, but it will be a lower probability setup if it goes. Currently, I would be happier with the short. Yeah, if this structure would be broken nicely with the displacement, I would be looking for some short targets, especially all the way through down the new week opening gap. I would be better with a short, but since it's not doing anything, I'm just not entering into any trade. I'm just waiting. I mean, the majority of this is done. Bob's profits. Let me check. Oh, very nice. Okay, so Bob, congratulations. Made $1,160 and $1,500 here. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is the net profit anyway, almost the same. Beautiful trades there. Congratulations. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And beautiful profits, sorry. Very nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. Man, this price action is wow. Don't know what to say. This price action is cooked. To them. Scalper's paradise, definitely. Yeah, the day is over, probably. I mean, that's it for the AM session. Anything it does from here, it's gonna be low probability setup. This was the move here. This was the move. Anything from here is gonna be lower probability. The only exception for me would be a nice drop as a displacement, but I don't see anything happening. Yeah, with defined risk, yeah. Yeah, me too, Red. Me too. Just making me yawn. And obviously, I made my profits for the day, and I don't really want to do anything unless it's not showing some signs of volume kicking in. Yeah, I had some trades. I had some trades here. On funded accounts, I made a few $100s. The only tried to catch the first move. Well, I tried to catch not just the first, maybe the first one or two moves, but I truly believe that the major move, or the move that's need to be made, is done until at least 11 a.m. I mean, obviously we have days when the move happens after 11, between 12, you know, but I think that the major move happens 90% of the time. It's finishing before 11 or sometime 11. So now for this AM session, this was the major move here. This went down, swept everybody, went up there. Okay. Now the day is not over yet. Obviously, we have some other targets, but during, I mean, approaching the lunch hour and during that time, we could see like sideways action, liquidity sweeps, ups and downs, and maybe the PM session. And I'm saying that after 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we could see another move happening to a more significant level. But so far, yeah, this is what I think. Yeah, it took Asia low. By the way, yes. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was looking to. We took out the lows, the daily low, midnight level. Everything was swept here. So after everything was swept, I also told you guys that I would be much more glad to see price moving upwards into that direction. And so it did. It was actually easy. I agree. So today's price prediction, it was actually easy compared to other days. Like last week was crazy, but predicting this price action after this, and especially at this point at 9:50-ish hour, it was easy to see that, okay, this one's just gonna go. Yeah. It was a nice under rise, yeah. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's holding it until 6 p.m. I don't know. I don't know. As far as I know, Tomasz, I think he's holding the trade here. 22,859 is his target. All right, joking. But yeah, I think he's holding it. 617, yeah, that's a good area. Actually, to close this gap, the 617, I agree. Trading above 617 is the low hanging fruit. If you're bullish, I'm not entering. 100%, I'm not entering this. Yeah, something like that, Maverick. The word easy is always careful. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Coco. That's true. You're entering. All right. Just make sure that you're prepared for the swings and this one, so we can also go down and then up, but I think you're good. 617 would be the safe level if this one is continuing higher. It has to close above 617. There needs to be a candle closed above there. I'm not entering. Oh my god, the Michael Trader. Long time no see. Yeah, where have you been, man? Good to see you back. 50 in negative on 10 lots today. All right. Trading one lot. Let's go. Okay, so the midpoint of this 15-minute CB is still acting as possible resistance. Just be careful with that. You drop by time to time to see how you're doing. Oh, and using my promo code. Thank you so much, Michael. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, really. Thank you. And how's trading so far? I hope you're making profits there. Thank you for the support. 1 minute there. Okay. 1 mini entry. Dun, 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 dun. You only short? You don't go long? But you're long now, right? You said you're... Didn't you say you're going long? Or you... I don't know. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure. Man, this price section is just... bleh. I took a small break. Actually blew 3 PAs 2 months ago. You got your second payouts this month. Wow, Michael, congratulations, man. Congrats. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Oh, US markets are a bubble. Yeah. I mean, until the election, I think it's going to go up anyways. Yeah, 617 should be taken real soon, but it's so slow. Michael, congrats again. That's great. Great to hear. Oh man, it's so slow. It's like watching paint dry. Of course, Michael, that's great. You know, 2 payouts. Yeah, I'm flat too. I'm flat. I have no positions. Orders and position page here. You guys can see it. I have nothing. Everything's flat. This is actually painful to watch. This is super painful. I don't even think I want to watch this anymore. This is so painful. It's actually causing me chest pains. I don't know, man. Yeah, 617 is gonna get taken for sure. So This is how 617 is gonna happen. I'm gonna show you. It's not over. Hold on. This is how 617 is gonna happen. Okay. And later on, this is how 617 is gonna happen. And then I don't know what's got into me today. I like to mock people. I like this kind of humor. I know you guys hate me for it. I just like mocking people. Don't worry. It's gonna be much better than this. Yeah, 617 is a good possibility up there. I agree. I agree that it has to close above sooner or later. Anyway, guys, what the hell? What should we do? I'm not gonna do anything. I made my day. I made my profits. I think I'm gonna pass this one. I'm not gonna sit here until lunch hour. No, I made 2 more funded accounts. It's all right, and I made profits for the day. I'm happy. Everything's fine. I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. It was a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back for tomorrow London session. So thanks again for being here, and just be careful throughout the rest of the day. Thank you for watching. If you would like to support my channel, then please use my codes. It's the same code everywhere. tomsabo gives you the best available discounts. MyFundedFutures is not giving discount right now for any affiliate code. Is not working for starter accounts. Only if you pay with Played, it gives you the 5% extra. But still, if you enter my coupon code, that gives me a little bit of credit. And check out the rest. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow. Take care, and God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.